What is everyone doing today? Got a lot going on out here. I got a bunch of coasters, and don't worry, I'm not going to show you the sides on what the other side is yet, but soon. Made these the other day. My wife painted them. Little Bob's Burgers coasters. They came out awesome. But the cool new project that I made, and I think it came out awesome, was this butcher block. This is made out of solid walnut and hand carved the bowl, and it's all sanded to 800 sides, and it comes with these awesome knives, and they just stay nice. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. But this is my newest creation here at Artisan Creations. Isn't that awesome? That is one hell of a block of walnut. This will last hundreds of years. Look at that. Look at the grain on that. Isn't that awesome? It's so pretty. I almost don't want to sell it. But that's what we're doing. Making these chopping blocks right now. Pretty cool. Wooden handled knives. Nice. Well, till the next episode, everyone. Happy farming, y'all. Later.